What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the world of classic American luxury with one of the most elegant land yachts ever built, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood. Finished in a stunning blue-silver shade color, this massive luxury machine represents the golden age of Cadillac styling, comfort, and road presence. Back in 1970, owning a Fleetwood meant you had reached the top level of American luxury. This wasn't just transportation. It was a statement of success, class, and prestige. Everything about this car was designed to make the driver and passengers feel like royalty. From its gigantic body dimensions to its ultra-soft ride quality, the Fleetwood delivered an experience unlike anything else on the road. Today, we're going to take a full look at this legendary Cadillac, including the exterior styling, luxurious interior, smooth V8 performance, driving experience, and current collector value. So sit back, relax, and let's cruise into the world of vintage Cadillac luxury. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is its incredible size. This car is absolutely enormous, stretching across the road with unmatched presence. In this beautiful blue-silver shade color, the Fleetwood looks both elegant and powerful at the same time. At the front, Cadillac gave the Fleetwood a massive chrome grille that instantly commands attention. The quad headlights are surrounded by thick chrome trim, giving the car a bold luxury appearance that was iconic during the 1970s. The long hood seems to go on forever, creating that classic American luxury profile everybody loves. Every angle of this car screams prestige. The chrome bumpers are massive, polished, and built like armor, while the Cadillac hood ornament adds the perfect finishing touch to the front design. Moving along the sides, the Fleetwood's length becomes even more impressive. The body lines are smooth and elegant, while chrome trim runs beautifully across the car, enhancing its luxury feel. The blue-silver paint reflects light in a stunning way, giving the car a classy and timeless appearance. The rear section is just as dramatic. Large vertical taillights, wide chrome accents, and the huge trunk complete the signature Cadillac look. From every direction, this car feels like rolling artwork from America's luxury golden era. Interior. Step inside the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, and you enter a completely different world. The cabin is all about comfort, softness, and space. Unlike modern cars that focus heavily on technology, the Fleetwood focuses on pure luxury and relaxation. The seats are massive, soft, and incredibly comfortable, almost feeling like living room couches on wheels. In a matching blue-themed interior, the cabin feels rich, classy, and relaxing. Thick padding everywhere makes long drives feel effortless. The dashboard design is simple but elegant, filled with chrome details, wood-style trim, and classic analog gauges. Everything feels large and luxurious, from the steering wheel to the armrests. One of the best things about this car is the amount of space. Front and rear passengers have endless legroom, making the Fleetwood feel more like a private luxury lounge than a normal sedan. The ride comfort is another major highlight. Cadillac engineered this car to glide smoothly over the road. Every bump feels softened, giving passengers an incredibly calm and floating driving experience. This interior perfectly captures the spirit of old-school American luxury, big, soft, elegant, and comfortable. Performance. Now let's talk about what powers this giant luxury cruiser. Under the hood, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood came equipped with a massive 472 cubic-inch V8 engine, one of the largest engines Cadillac ever produced. This huge V8 delivered around 375 horsepower and enormous torque, giving the Fleetwood effortless acceleration despite its massive weight. The engine isn't about high RPM performance or aggressive sports driving, it's about smooth, powerful cruising. The automatic transmission shifts softly and smoothly, perfectly matching the car's luxury personality. Press the gas pedal, and the Fleetwood moves forward with calm confidence, accompanied by a deep and smooth V8 rumble. One of the most impressive things about this Cadillac is how quiet and refined it feels on the road. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, and the car almost feels like it's floating across highways. Steering is extremely light, making the giant car surprisingly easy to drive for its size. While it's definitely not built for sharp corners or racing, it excels at relaxed highway cruising and comfortable long-distance travel. Driving this car is not about speed, it's about enjoying the journey in total comfort and style. Driving experience. Behind the wheel of the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, you immediately feel like you're driving a piece of history. The view over the long hood is unforgettable, and every movement feels smooth and relaxed. The suspension is incredibly soft, creating that famous Cadillac floating sensation. Even rough roads feel gentle inside the cabin. The V8 engine delivers power effortlessly, while the quiet interior makes every drive peaceful and enjoyable. People constantly stare at this car because modern vehicles simply don't have this kind of presence anymore. Everywhere you go, the Fleetwood attracts attention and admiration. This car isn't meant to be rushed. It encourages you to slow down, enjoy the road, and appreciate classic American luxury at its finest. Price and collector value. When it was new, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood was considered one of the most prestigious luxury cars in America. It carried a premium price tag that reflected its status and craftsmanship. Today, the Fleetwood has become a highly respected classic car among collectors and vintage Cadillac enthusiasts. Prices vary depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality. A decent driver quality example may cost between $15,000 and $30,000, while beautifully restored or low-mileage models can reach $50,000 or more. Rare color combinations like this blue-silver shade can make the car even more desirable among collectors. Because of its timeless styling and legendary Cadillac comfort, the Fleetwood continues to grow in popularity in the classic car market. The 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is one of the greatest examples of classic American luxury ever created. Its massive size, elegant blue-silver styling, ultra-soft interior, and smooth V8 power make it unforgettable. This car represents an era when luxury meant comfort, chrome, presence, and effortless cruising. Modern cars may have more technology, but very few can match the character and road presence of this legendary Cadillac. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates vintage American design, the Fleetwood delivers an experience that feels truly special. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more legendary classic car content. Drop a comment below and let me know, would you cruise this 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood today?